Get ready to relive your year in a whole new way. YouTube just dropped its very own annual recap, and it's a game changer. But here's where it gets controversial. While Spotify's Wrapped has been a fan favorite, YouTube's version promises to dive deeper into your digital life, spotlighting not just what you watched, but why you watched it. Starting today in North America and rolling out globally by week's end, YouTube Recap is your personalized journey through 2025's most defining moments, all based on your watch history. And this is the part most people miss: it's not just about your favorite videos or channels. YouTube's Recap goes beyond the surface, analyzing your interests, tracking the evolution of your viewing habits, and even categorizing your personality type based on your binge-worthy picks. Yes, you read that right. Your late-night deep dives into quantum physics or your obsession with ASMR might just reveal more about you than you think. For music lovers, there's an added treat: your top artists, songs, and genres are front and center, with a sneak peek into your global listening habits via the YouTube Music app. But here's the kicker: does this level of personalization feel like a fun reflection or a privacy overstep? Is YouTube's Recap a celebration of your interests, or a reminder of just how much data platforms collect about us? Let's debate. What's your take? Love it or leave it, YouTube Recap is here, and it's inviting you to explore the story of your year, one video at a time. Check it out on your YouTube homepage or under the U tab, and let the nostalgia, or cringe, begin.